Hey, it's Mad Cat here. I'm at Mellow Mushroom in Bluffton, South Carolina to pick up a pizza. Take it home and enjoy it. Mellow Mushroom. Alright folks, Mad Cat here, and with my pizza review with a Merry Prankster from Mellow Mushroom. Looks good, look at that, all that chicken down there. And a Merry Prankster has, it says here, starts with an herb alloy base layered with chicken, Italian sausage, garlic roasted red peppers, green bell peppers, mozzarella, and Wisconsin aged cheddar. Looks good. And this is a small, and it's about 4 slices, and it costs about $16. Let's go. Let's dig in. Good sized pizza there. We got peppers, chicken. We got the herb alloy sauce on it. That's a good bite there. This chicken there got good flavor. It's got a good crunch. These bell peppers are great. It's a real good pizza. Got my Sonic about 44 cherry limeade. Okay, so this pizza is delicious. Give it a 5 out of 5. Love it. And go check it out. It's called the Merry Prankster from Mellow Mushroom. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit the notification, and leave a comment, and hit that like button. And from me to you, the Mad Cat, and I'm out here. Have a good day.